Hello everyone, this is Raymond Lee of Raymond's Dental Solutions. Aptus ulcer or canker sores are a common problem that affects 20% of the American population occasionally. They can cause pain, irritation, and discomfort when eating or talking. The conventional treatment for aptus ulcers are topical anesthetics, mouth rinses, corticosteroid ointment, and antibiotics. However, none of these treatments can provide immediate relief or restore normal life. But what if there was a way to treat aptus ulcer effectively and quickly with the Opelaser Pro II or CO2 laser? The Opelaser Pro II can offer many benefits for patients with aptus ulcer. It can increase blood flow and circulation to the affected area, stimulate anti-inflammatory properties and wound healing, decrease inflammation and pain, activate the immune system and destroy bad proteins while activating good proteins, vaporize the ulcer tissue and restore the epithelial layer. With the Opelaser Pro II, you can treat aptus ulcer in just a few minutes with a simple vaporization process. The patient can live a normal life immediately after the treatment. In some cases, a few more treatments may be needed, but they are short and easy. The cost of one treatment is about $40 or $50, which is affordable for most patients. But how does this relate to your dentistry? Well, treating aptus ulcer with the Opelaser Pro II can be a great marketing tool for your dental business. Here why? It shows that you offer a luxurious and cutting-edge treatment for a common problem. It attracts patients who suffer from aptus ulcers and are looking for a fast and effective solution. It creates an opportunity to inform patients of other benefits and services that you provide. It builds trust and loyalty with patients who appreciate your care and expertise. It generates word-of-mouth referrals from satisfied patients who share their experience with others. Imagine if you could treat 2 patients with aptus ulcer per day with the Opelaser Pro II and make one of them a regular patient of your dental business. You would have an increasing number of new patients every day without spending any money on advertising or marketing. That's why investing in the Opelaser Pro II is the best decision you can make for your dental business. Thank you so much for watching.